Imagine being able to generate an entire professional ebook in just a few minutes without spending weeks researching, outlining, writing, and organizing content from scratch. Not just a collection of AI generated paragraphs, but a complete publication ready ebook with a logical structure, educational value, and actionable insights designed to help readers achieve a specific outcome. That's exactly what this prompt framework is designed to help you do. What you're looking at here is not just a normal ebook writing prompt. It is a structured, long-form content generation system engineered to help AI create comprehensive, well-organized, and reader-focused ebooks using proven instructional design and publishing principles. Inside this framework, there are two types of sections you need to understand. The first are customizable variables, such as the topic, target audience, desired outcome, tone, word count, reading level, and niche. These are the sections you replace based on the ebook you want to create. The second are instructional sections, which are not meant to be edited. These guide the AI on how to research, structure, and write the ebook for maximum value and readability. Now, starting with the role section, this is where you define what the AI becomes before it starts writing. In this framework, the AI is assigned the identity of an expert nonfiction author, editor, researcher, instructional designer, and publishing strategist. The purpose of this section is to make the AI think like a professional author whose goal is educating and helping readers rather than simply generating text. Next is a task and objective section, which defines what the AI is expected to create. Instead of simply writing about a topic, the AI is instructed to produce a complete publication-ready ebook that educates, engages, and helps readers achieve a specific result. The purpose is to keep the content focused on delivering real value rather than just filling pages. After that comes the research and planning section. This is where the AI is instructed to identify common questions, challenges, misconceptions, and goals related to the topic before writing begins. The purpose is to ensure the ebook addresses what readers actually want to know and follows a logical learning path. Next is the ebook structure section, which acts as the blueprint for the entire book. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. This section instructs the AI to generate essential components such as the title, subtitle, description, table of contents, introduction, chapters, conclusion, action plan, resources, and FAQs. The purpose is to create a complete reading experience instead of isolated chapters. Then we move into the chapter format section. This tells the AI how every chapter should be organized, including introductions, main lessons, examples, case studies, action steps, summaries, and key takeaways. The purpose is to improve reader comprehension and make the content more actionable. After that comes the writing style and content quality sections. These sections control how the ebook is written by defining the tone, reading level, depth of explanation, and content standards. The AI is instructed to explain concepts clearly, provide real-world examples, answer reader objections, and focus on practical applications. The purpose is to create content that is both educational and engaging. Finally, the formatting and output requirements sections ensure the ebook is professionally organized and easy to navigate. The AI is instructed to use proper headings, subheadings, formatting hierarchy, and logical chapter progression. The purpose is to deliver a polished ebook that is ready for publishing, distribution, or lead generation. So when you put everything together, this framework is not just teaching AI how to write a book. It is teaching AI how to think like a researcher, educator, and professional author. When you customize the variables and paste the prompt into your AI tool, you are no longer generating random long form content. You are creating a complete ebook designed to educate readers, deliver value, and establish authority in your niche. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.